Why should you ignore six-figure property investing strategies? Well, first of all, what are six-figure property investing strategies? The super sexy, slick strategies that will make you a gazillionaire overnight. You've heard of them, you've seen them. The idea that one deal could potentially change your whole financial position in just one go. If you could make 100,000 or 900,000 pounds just from one deal, then most people would think this is it. This is the deal that will change their lives. Well, I'm here to say no, don't do it. Before we get into the video, please stick around until the end because I've got a free copy of my daily marketing planner that I want to give to you. Now, to find out how to grab hold of it, please watch until the end. Okay, let's roll that intro. Hi, I'm Rick Gannon. Welcome back to my channel. So why am I telling you not to invest in these big six-figure property strategies? Well, I don't believe anyone should be doing any strategy that makes six figures and above without first having sorted cash flow. And there are other reasons I'm going to share with you as we move through the video. So my name's Rick Gannon and I'm the founder of New Era, which is a property portfolio company. I own myself around £7 million worth of property, and I believe that anyone can follow my recipe of property investing and find financial freedom and create wealth. Property is one of the best vehicles that I know to create as passive as possible income and make money. So why am I saying don't do big profit six-figure deals? Well, I've got three reasons I want you to ignore, walk away and bin these deals. So let's start with number one. Normally, most of these deals, you'll find that they are just shiny pennies. They look great, they sparkle, they seem like, yes, I'm now going to be a gazillionaire, I'm going to make loads of money out of this deal, I just need one. Most people who want to invest in property want financial freedom. They want income each and every month. So for example, they want reoccurring income. Some people maybe have no money to start, or others maybe have a pot that they want to get an income from. That's obvious, right? But here is the first insight. If you have no money and you're looking to make £100,000 to £900,000, you're leveraging your skills and time only, as the money will have to come from someone else. Now, this means effectively you will be 100% leveraged in your deal. So you'll need to 100% know what you're doing. You need to deliver on time, on budget, and sell at the right price in a market that is mostly out of your control. Insight number two is that if you have money in the form of a lump sum, well, delivering on this project just means a bigger lump sum. Whilst that might be great, it's not giving you financial freedom, it's not giving you time off with your family and the chance to travel the world if that's what floats your boat. You've still got to make sure that this project delivers and there's a chance it won't grow your financial pot. What if the pot decreases? So it's not income at all, it's not monthly income, and it might not grow to be a bigger pot. So typically, when someone grows a pot of money, they don't take a chunk out of that pot and spend it on lifestyle. They then look for the next project, and then the next project. The third insight is high profit strategies don't create reoccurring income. It's just a job. It just becomes your job as a property developer. So make sure you stick around to the end when I'm going to share the best time to do the 100 to 900,000 pound profit deals. Now, my number 2 reason is that I don't like the big profit strategies because it's all eggs in one basket. You're counting on a project where typically, as Ray Dalio would say in his book of Principles, remember that almost everything will take more time and cost more money than you expect. This will mean that you'll make less money than you think you would, and is it really worth the risk of investing your time into high profit projects when you could be focusing on building a solid income base on smaller projects first? My number 3 reason is, are you really that experienced enough? And do you have enough resources behind you? So from your own knowledge, your own power team, your own cash, you'll need architects, planning consultants, CDM regulations for health and safety, joint venture agreements, and way, way more. There are literally thousands of things that you may have never have come across before and decisions that you're going to have to make. You don't know what you don't know. This is not a beginner's strategy. You'll need a cash buffer to cope with the overruns and the unexpected costs. Your pot could and may shrink, and your energy might go with it. I know an investor who took a commercial to residential conversion to a 24-bedroom HMO as their second project. Now, they barely got out of that deal, and all they wanted to do then was sell it. The energy and the stress of the projects took away the resilience and the quiet enjoyment of the deal. You have to protect your motivation, your enthusiasm, and your future decision-making strength. If you have a particularly tough time on an early project, then you're much more likely to quit and then throw in the towel. Much better to crash your Ford Fiesta than your Lamborghini. You can recover and make small mistakes on small rental deals, and property rentals are quite forgiving projects. So I said I would share when these big profit projects are going to be ideal. Well, if you're building a property portfolio, start with cash flow. Yeah? The only time you should do big profit property deals is when you have cash flow sorted and all of the following points. Number 1, you love your job and your salary and you'll never give it up. And number 2, you have a pension plan that will pay you all of your living and high luxury retirement costs. And number 3, you have a cash pot that you don't need. And if it shrinks, it won't impact when you retire or how you fund your lifestyle. Cash flow follows reoccurring income assets. You need rental property of some sort, that could be HMO or buy-to-let, to really deliver true reoccurring income. Despite what people say, there is no other property strategy that is as forgiving, easy to get into, and get right from the beginning. And if you do want to retire, there are plenty of agents that can manage your portfolio for you. I really do believe that to succeed in property, you need the right foundations, and this must be to get your cash flow sorted first. Then you can do the sexy gazillionaire projects afterwards. Remember, cash flow first. So would you like a copy of my marketing planner? This will help you move forwards, and it's got really simple structures in place to help you find property and keep you motivated on a daily basis. Now, to get hold of this, all you need to do is comment below the word planner in the comment section and leave me your email address. And what I'll do, as soon as I receive your comment, I will forward you a copy of the planner as a PDF so you can print and use as much as you want to. So I'd love your thoughts on this video. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hi, I'm Gannon. Welcome back to my channel.